Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can enter data in Microsoft Excel cells. So Excel is made up of cells. These cells are named according to the columns and rows. Like when you see I have column A, column B, column C, D, and then I have row 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the intersection of these are what we call the cells. So for example, I have this. When you see like this cell here, which is cell B3, so this one is the intersection of column B and row 3. So like I have this, and then I have this one. So the intersection of D and 4 gives a cell which is called D4. So that's how cells are formed. So whenever I want to enter data in these cells, what I'm going to do, I have to first select the cell. So what I'm going to do, in order for you to enter any value in these cells, you have to select the cell in order to affect that cell. So I will select cell B. Now after selecting that, now for example, I want to enter the values of an employee such as the first name, last name, the time in, time out, and so on. So what I will do, I first enter this, select the cell by selecting the cell, then it means I want to affect it. So I'll go ahead and type, say first name. When I enter first name, it means the data is not yet entered until I press enter on my keyboard. So you have to pick your keyboard and look for the key enter. This one will help to affect, or will help to execute what you are trying to do, the command you are trying to perform. So you can either press enter, and then that one means that the name has been entered, and then you go and select another cell to affect it. So I'm going to select this cell which is C2. So I'll go and put there last name. So after that, I can go ahead and still press enter, or you can use the tab. Using the tab will help you to navigate from one step to another. So when I press this, it means I want to use that. I want to go to another cell, and that is cell D2. So from there, I can set time in. Maybe I'm trying to capture it, clock in and clock out. That's time in, time out. So I'll set time in, then I use the tab to go to another cell where I set time out, and then from there I press the tab on the key on my keyboard to go to another cell. So by doing that means you first select the cell. After selecting the cell, then from there you have to type, or you have to enter the data. After entering the data, you can use the enter key or the tab key on your keyboard to affect or to go to another cell. After that, select the cell to affect it, and then that's in that way, that's how you can enter any data cell, any data in this cell. So like the first name, if I want to start recording the values in this column, so I'll go ahead and press the cell where I want to put the first name, say Alex. I want to go to another cell, I'll go ahead and use these arrow keys. You can use these arrow keys on the keyboard, the arrow keys, or you can just go and use the mouse and locate the cell you want to affect and then select it. So I have Alex, I have Jen, I have Peter, I have Sam. So now you can see the moment I want to type any value in this cell, I have to first select the cell. So it's very, very important that you understand how to select the cell before you affect it with any data type. Otherwise, thank you very much. Let's catch up in the next video.